Sana, what do you think? I mean, after 4 wins in a row, the way Lahore defeated them and then now Peshawar defeated them, so derail ho gayi hai thodi si Islamabad United?
I think the way Islamabad United play, the brand of cricket, they generally want flatter tracks because they generally play in one gear. Unke sare batters agar aap dekhein, they want to make strokes. They generally target that bigger score, 190, 200. तो जब भी पिचेस डिफिकल्ट आती हैं इस्लामाबाद के अगेंस्ट तो उसमें कभी-कभी हमने देखा है कि कोलैप्स भी ये कर जाते हैं. So आज what they were finding difficult was rotation of strike. There was a time between 6th and 10th over where in 5 overs they only scored 18 runs and lost 2 wickets. And they had like before that they had lost no wicket before that. So I think that phase of the game from number 6 to number 10, that is where Peshawar really got the grip on the game and that is where they will be looking at. Power play में तो आपके 2 फील्डर बाहर हैं, आपको boundaries मिल रही हैं. But once the field is open, that's where they struggle today.
And in that first innings was really when Peshawar Zalmi were able to make those inroads against Islamabad United. So, Hail, we know that of course the Lahore ki pitches were favouring the fast bowlers and आज भी Muhammad Ali, जिनको last season हमने मुल्तान की तरफ से एक बहुत back-to-back match winning spells कराते हुए देखे, आज we got to see him in action in Lahore and well, that spell 3 wickets for him in his 4 overs, giving away 26 runs.
Sohail की pick was Peshawar yesterday.
Yes, so एक तो आपको point भी आज
मुबारक देंगी.
मुबारक.
Thank you.
But then your thoughts on Muhammad Ali today?
Good to see him back in form. न्यूजीलैंड के टूर से लेके अभी तक जो PSL के पहले मैचेस भी पेशावर ज़ल्मी ने खिलाए उनको तो वो इतने इम्प्रेसिव नहीं लगे. जितना अच्छा उन्होंने पिछला PSL खेला था उस हिसाब से ये PSL या जो इंटरनेशनल डेब्यू भी उनका हुआ तो इट वाज नॉट इम्प्रेसिव. तो गुड टू सी हिम बैक. ऑब्वियसली उनके अपने कॉन्फिडेंस के लिए ये एक मच नीडेड परफॉर्मेंस थी जो कि आज उन्होंने की. एंड आई थिंक आज उन्होंने उस एरिया पे हिट किया जो उनके लिए सक्सेस का बाहिस रहा पिछले कपल ऑफ ईयर्स. अगर आप देखें जो डोमेस्टिक क्रिकेट या लास्ट ईयर PSL की बात करें तो आज जो है उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे एरिया जो बैक ऑफ लाइन उनकी स्ट्रेंथ है उसके ऊपर बॉलिंग की तो उसकी वजह से उनको कामयाबी मिली. और पहले 6-8 ओवरों में जिस तरीके की द होल पेशावर ज़ल्मी बॉलिंग लाइन अप द वे दे बोल्ड आई थिंक दैट सेट अप द टोन फॉर होल इनिंग. और आप देखें कि साहबजादा फरहान नॉर्मली in this PSL, he was batting at strike rate of 180 and he scored only 36 runs on 35 or 38 balls. That shows how good they have bowled. So I think Peshawar Zalmi के लिए superb bowling effort. सब yes Ali stand out उन्होंने 3 आउट किए but अगर मैं figures देखूंगा तो everybody bowled well.
सबने contribute किया. Everybody who took the ball, they were able to get those wickets and create that enormous dot ball pressure. And
Erin, you've been watching these matches on the ground. Do you think finally Peshawar's combination is becoming better enough to be able to win matches?
Yeah, well, they've had this really interesting situation where the people that they banked on getting them runs up the top of the order, Salam Ayub, obviously, it's so rare to see him so quiet for such a long period of time. They've had to search through their ranks in order to find those runs when they've had, you know, the top order not firing as they would have hoped. I liked seeing Mitch Owen up the top of the order. I think if you're going to play him, you need to play him up top. We've seen what he does in Big Bash. Like, he won the cup for the Hobart Hurricanes this year because he is so damaging and I think he's a player that needs the field up just to get him going into his innings and then once his eyes in...
Where should he play? As an opener, right?
He's an opener.
He's like through and through opener, right? In Hobart, right?
Yes, Hobart Hurricanes he always opens and that's where he was so damaging and that is why he's here because of what he did in Big Bash. So for me, I think Baba's an amazing 3.
Amazing in 3, yeah.
Amazing 3 and I think obviously what we saw today it didn't pay off for him, Mitch Owen. So Bubba comes in and steadies the ship and does what he does. But when you've got a guy that can take you down like that, let him go. Because you know Bubba has the ability to bat in all different elements.
And it also gives him a space to, to play around a ball too.
And I just wanted to ask you too, Shoaib, because when we look at Islamabad's successfulness, they were at home. They were at home in conditions that suited them and they won 4 on the bounce. Now we're in different conditions where the bowling's a little bit more difficult, the batting's more difficult.
The ball is seaming a bit.
And
that's where the problem is.
Lahore's had crazy variation in their pitches as well. We had Aussie soil that was misbehaving. In Karachi, like you should have seen what the Aussie soil did there. Like we're not that temperamental, I promise.
Erin, you're sitting with all the bowlers, so we don't call it misbehaving. We call it a good pitch.
I I think those are like
Yeah, that's the
somebody
right
Mic drop,
Right,
mic
put it.
drop. But let's take a look at the points table because even after those back-to-back losses, Islamabad United are still at the top of the table with 10 points and they have that healthy-looking net run rate as well. But it says a lot, Shoaib, about Islamabad's campaign so far that they are able to maintain that
Yeah.
tabletop position.
Well, they have to decide either they want to be number one or they want to be number two. Which team they want to play?
Yeah.
And we're going to by winning in last games, right?
Yeah.
They got one more game to go, right?
Yeah, so they have
Two more.
Two more,
they
two
have
more.
two
Nine
more.
games,
They've
yeah.
played 7 now.
So if they go on,
They have
10.
10 games, no?
so they have 3 more.
Yes,
Three
three
more.
more.
We're not
games.
done yet,
Lahore,
Shoaib.
yeah, they're not.
Only
And,
Lahore has 2 games and
yeah.
Multan.
Lahore and Multan have
Yeah.
8. They've played
Yeah.
8 games.
So if they come back, they're taking long enough to come back. So,
But do you
Come
think they have a
back.
chance? They have that fight in them.
yeah, Multan Sultan have a chance to get out early.
Yeah,
They already have.
to
They
go home
already-
and put their feet up.
Just put the foot out, yeah. I think if they fall forward, take us back on again. Yeah.
Negative net run rate. That's
All right, bye-bye. So, yeah, I think they just need to win a couple of more games and to decide who they want to play against. I think this looks like a good team, good combination. When there comes a playoff, I think they're going to play one of the best team. They got the best fast bowlers, they got the best 2 spinners, and they got the best captain and the best environment when you call the management team,
Yeah.
which is done by a great job done by from management to stabilize the team. And so is the the lot
Mike
of praises
Hesson.
for
Mike
Quota Gladiator, Mike
Quota.
Hesson, yeah. Absolutely fantastic guy. But the rumor that Mike Hesson been approached
Yes.
from Pakistan Cricket Board to coach Pakistan team. If he comes, I mean, I really want him to come, with the full authority, with the full plan, and shouldn't be any more ambushes like Jason Gillespie.
Aussie's
Yeah,
misbehaving. Like what? No,
Nah,
he's
he
not,
didn't.
not misbehaving.
Nah, he's a great
we
guy.
love him. He's a wonderful
Yeah, he's
guy.
a wonderful guy.
Great coach.
Wonderful, great coach. No
बट
question about it.
सोहेल आपसे पूछूंगा क्योंकि हम टूर्नामेंट में मुसलसल पेशावर की बॉलिंग कॉम्बिनेशन के बारे में बात करते हैं तो फाइनली बॉलिंग कॉम्बिनेशन किसी एक शक्ल में आ रहा है कि आज उन्होंने एक छोटे टोटल पे रिस्ट्रिक्ट किया उनको
नहीं बिल्कुल पिछले 3-4 मैचेस से बल्कि आप कहेंगे कि उनकी बॉलिंग परफॉर्मेंसेस जो है वो बतदरीज बेहतर
बेहतर
होती
हो रही
गई हैं तो वो मेरे ख्याल में आज एक कंप्लीट शो देखने को मिला पिछले 2 मैचेस में 3 मैचेस में आपको कहीं ना कहीं आपको लगा कि कोई एक बॉलर जो रन्स हुए उसको बट आज मैं कहूँगा कि कंप्लीट बॉलिंग शो अब हमें नज़र आया और पेशावर ज़ल्मी के लिए आई थिंक इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि इस तरह का मैच ना आपको टूर्नामेंट में वापस लेके आता है और 5वें नंबर पे दे स्टैंडिंग एट नंबर 5 मस्ट विन तकरीबन सिचुएशन है उनके लिए तो इस तरह का मैच आपको ना कॉन्फिडेंस देता है तो आई थिंक कि ग्रेट फॉर पेशावर ज़ल्मी द वे दे बोल्ड एज आई सेड अर्लियर कि सब के सब बॉलर्स ने अच्छा यूटिलाइज़ किया जो भी कंडीशन थी उनको अच्छे तरीके से रीड किया बैट्समैन को अच्छे तरीके से रीड किया सो आई थिंक कि पेशावर ज़ल्मी इज़ बैक
बिल्कुल और जैसे कि रोहा हमने पहले भी डिस्कस किया कि एक डेब्यूटांट PSL डेब्यूटांट माज सदाकत उन्होंने एक अच्छी इनिंग खेली और
He's got his surname. That's why you want to
रिलेटिव तो नहीं है
Taha
थोड़ा
Slavic
जरूरी
got his
है
surname.
इसीलिए जरूरी
His
था
full
उसके
name
बारे
is
में
Taha
बात
Slavic, right?
करें
He kept
जी।
talking about this guy.
या सो
Anyways,
सो
Mr. Sadaki.
कैसा है फ्यूचर प्रोस्पेक्ट कैसा है माज
देखिए मैंने कुछ प्रोग्राम्स पहले ये बात की थी कि I've heard a lot about him before this match मास सदाकत के बारे में it's so good to watch him come and express himself perfect timing for him not a huge target to chase but जिस तरीके से अप्रोच किया है 4 चौके 3 छक्के the strike rate of 166 on a pitch that was not so easy to bat on I think speaks volumes about him and I hope कि ये अब आने वाले मैचेस में भी इसी तरह का परफॉर्म करें तो he looked pretty good
दूसरे एंड पे बाबर जैसे एक्सपीरियंस प्लेयर अगर खेल रहे हो तो हाउ मच डज दैट हेल्प इन अ सिचुएशन लाइक दिस
देखिए सबसे अच्छी चीज़ मुझे जो लगी ना अबाउट माज सदाकत कि नॉर्मली पाकिस्तानी बैटर्स आर नॉट वेरी गुड स्क्वेयर ऑफ द विकेट ही लुक्ड वेरी गुड ऑन दिस पिच विच हैड बाउंस हमारे नॉर्मली जितने भी बैटर्स अभी तक लाहौर में खेले हैं तो आपने देखा है दिस स्ट्रगल्ड बट दिस गाय ही प्लेड हुक रियली वेल इस तरह की पिच पे जहाँ एक्स्ट्रा बाउंस आता है वहाँ पुल नहीं मार सकते सो व्हाट ही डिड ही ट्राई टू हुक इट रादर देन टू पुल इट इन फ्रंट ऑफ स्क्वेयर तो ये मेरे ख्याल में दैट शोज कि ही हैज़ दैट ब्रेन कि वो क्रिकेटिंग आपको अवेयरनेस विच नॉर्मली हमारे बहुत सारे बैटर्स विच दे लैक सो आई थिंक गुड फ्यूचर प्रोस्पेक्ट
शोएब भाई आप हमेशा कहते हैं कि खब्बा जब अच्छा बैट्समैन आए तो उसकी एक लुक और ही जबरदस्त
He looks more stylish. Somehow, he's just like born stylish. The lefty he was talking about. So, I think as Sana said, he speaks the volume of the talent that he has. I mean, as it rightly Sohail mentioned, I mean, many people are trying to, smash the ball. Then you just got to place the ball because the ball is hurrying you up quickly towards you. So I think rather hooking, slashing, cutting the ball, I think, towards the square of the wicket, I think that matters a lot. But having said that, I think it's, after all, very clinical innings, and I think well-suited situation for Babar Azam, that, he went out there to, it looked perfect.
Perfect
Pitching.
debut. Like,
Yeah.
you've got King Bubba down the
Yeah.
other end.
Yeah.
You score a 50. You're
Yeah.
19 years old, only
Yeah.
played 21 domestic matches, and then you go and do something like that. Like, I get goosebumps when I think of that.
Dream
Like,
debut,
what a
I think dream debut
dream
for
debut.
him.
It's-
And
it's
obviously,
exciting.
I want to come towards Babar's knock as well. Sana, how do you assess the knock? 53 not out of 49. He managed to hit 1-6 and 4 fours. Not the most ideal strike rate, but of course, he saw कि दूसरे end पे Maz was doing all of the work.
I think अगर मैं एक लफ्ज़ में कहना चाहूँ, he looked comfortable. Number 3 पे, that is more of his style where he can accelerate when he wants to, when he wants to take his time. पहली shot outstanding, the way he got off the mark, बहुत ही खूबसूरत shot से off the mark. फिर थोड़ी देर के लिए struggle किया, थोड़े dot balls हुए. But the moment he started getting boundaries, थोड़ा सा ease off होते रहे और फिर मास सदाकत के आने से उनको मज़ीद वो अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल गई. और अच्छी चीज़ आज बाबर की इनिंग्स में नज़र आई थी, कुछ डिफरेंट करना चाहते, डाउन द विकेट अपनी विकेट्स को एक्सपोज करके कोशिश कर रहे थे ऑफ साइड को भी खोलने की. तो ये एक
And I think
अच्छी चीज़